So today is 15th of August and I decided to go on a Freedom Day ride.
Okay, let's ride, come on. Stay.
Alright guys, good morning everyone. The time is 6:58. I'm late by 1 hour. I was supposed to leave by 6 o'clock, but it's already 7. So the place that I'm going to go today is Bhavli Dam, that is near Igatpuri. The time showing to reach the destination is 3 hours 11 minutes as of now. तो मैं थोड़ा लेट हो गया था और उसी कारण मैं अपने ग्लव्स भूल गया अपने घर पे. So I don't want to go on top again and then disturb my family to get up to open the door because I don't have the house keys right now. So I'll have to ride without the gloves. The good thing is that I'm wearing my riding jacket, I'm wearing my riding boots, and I've got my helmet. Alright? So let's get this trip started. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen. ग्लव्स के बिना एकदम अधूरा लग रहा है मुझे यार. आई एम नॉट फीलिंग 100%. लाइक राइडिंग जैकेट और बूट्स एंड हेलमेट के साथ तो मुझे 90% लग रहा है. ग्लव्स होता तो 100% हो जाता. Beautiful morning guys. Today is the 15th of August and this is my freedom ride. So a lot of people are going on the freedom ride, but मैं सोचा मैं अपना ही freedom ride करूँ. मैं अपना ये रबर पैच लगाना भूल गया मैं. दिस इज़ वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट क्योंकि इसने ही मेरे फ़ोन को बचाया था एक बार. सो ये बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. मौसम तो बढ़िया लग रहा है, बढ़िया. आई होप इट स्टेज लाइक दैट एंड आई होप कि ज़्यादा क्राउड ना मिले. अगर क्राउड मिलेगा, ट्रैफिक मिलेगा तो मैं शायद रिटर्न आ जाऊँगा यार, बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट टू एन्जॉय द बाइक राइड लाइक दैट इन द ट्रैफिक. काफ़ी दिन के बाद अपना बाइक चला रहा हूँ मैं. ऑलमोस्ट आफ्टर 2 weeks आई एम राइडिंग द बाइक. So I have left the Jogeshwari bridge, taken the exit, and I think this is going to take me from JVLR to Bhavli Dam. Surprisingly, it didn't take me from Godbanda roadside. I think because there is a lot of construction work happening over there. Nice, very nice. The time right now showing is 2 hours and 41 minutes to reach Bhavli Dam. So actually today I was planning to go to Pavana Lake. That is one place that I would love to go. I was thinking of camping, but then I did some research and I checked out some place, but they didn't have any AC tents available. So I kind of dropped the idea. I was late, it was my mistake. I should have booked it earlier, considering that it's a long weekend. 15th August is a Friday. Anyways, today I'm going on my freedom ride to Bhavli Dam. So riding after a long time. But very honest, I'm feeling very uncomfortable riding without my gloves, man. एक अजीब सा feeling आ रहा है मुझे. So IIT Powai is on my left, and now we have crossed that as well. Just for precaution's sake, I'm wearing my raincoat so that my riding jacket does not get dirty in case there are a lot of water, because my Scrambler does not have the rear tire hugger. You know, the thing that hugs the tire from behind. That is missing. I mean, it's not missing. I have not installed it. I have to install that. Because of which, a lot of muck, the dirt, comes onto my riding jacket. And that is the reason why I wear my raincoat above my riding jacket. I really love this building, man. It's superb. Whoa, it's looking cloudy up ahead, man. Look at that dense clouds up there. There's a donkey. Idiot. Wow. Oh, weather is looking nice. I think it's going to rain. But I'm all geared up, so nothing to worry. Only I wish if I had my gloves on. My God. How did I miss my gloves, man? Gloves is very important. Not only for protection sake, but even that riding comfort. Now you can grip the accelerator bar much better. It gives a very good feeling. I can't explain to you if you have not ridden with gloves. People who have ridden with gloves will understand what I'm saying. I thought today is 15th of August and there would be less traffic on the road considering it's a bank holiday. It's a national holiday. Surprisingly, there are so many cars on the road. I was expecting the roads to be empty. So now we have to take the left turn from here, join NH48. Whoa, now I think this is to go towards Airoli side. Weather is getting nice and dull. I think it's going to rain any time. I better put up my raincoat, zip it up. Time to stretch the bike a little bit. Only once this traffic gets cleared will I be able to rip the bike. A lot of people on the road, man. Too many cars, too many trucks. Okay. There we go. All right. Oh God, what a thrill. What a thrill. Super, super. So it's showing Kalyan and Nasik straight. Okay, we go straight then. $120 तो ऐसा मक्खन के जैसा जाता है बाइक, मक्खन के जैसा. 120 तो आराम से, without any effort, the bike touches 120. Superb है, superb. Love you. Mulund is left, Thane is straight. What is it saying? Okay, after 7.4 kilometers, I'll have to take a kind of a left. We'll see. It's time to rip the bike now and pull as much distance or cover as much distance possible. Nice, good roads, lovely roads. It showed that I had to leave this bridge and go from down somewhere over here. I don't know where we are. I think this is Thane. We are in Thane right now, if I'm not wrong. Why is the GPS confusing me, man? It's showing take this road. Okay. Then from ahead take a right turn. Yes, I think this is Thane for sure. Look at the sky up there. It's looking dark as hell, man. It's going to rain heavily that side, I feel. Whoa. That's it. Break the traffic rules. You guys are the bosses. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Green, go! Yeah, boy. Since these are all new roads for me, this is my first time on this side of the road, so I'm riding a little bit carefully. Anytime when you're riding in new places, always be careful. Don't ride too fast because you're not familiar with the roads, no? That's why. Wow, look at that weather, man. Shit, crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. I hope the ride to Bhavli Dam is worth it. I mean, yeah, I'm enjoying the ride, but the destination also should be worth it. I think my front shock absorber, उसका थोड़ा problem है, थोड़ा खट करके मार रहा है bike, whereas it should not give that, you know, feeling when it goes into a small pothole. वो खट करके आवाज़ आ रहा है, जो कि नहीं होना चाहिए. तो पता नहीं, उसका फोक ऑयल सील देखना पड़ेगा. वाओ, weather is amazing, but what is that, all that black smoke from the truck ahead? Oh, first time I'm coming to this location here. Comment down below if you know what place this is. I don't know what place this is. It's my first time. Oh, this guy is wearing a Demon Slayer t-shirt, sweatshirt, whatever that is. So the Demon Slayer Infinity Castle, which is releasing on September 12th, is going to be one epic movie. Demon Slayer Infinity Castle, when it released in Japan, it garnered 120 crore on the first day of the release. First day. And that too, it had released only in Japan. Imagine. To give you a perspective, Sayyara, when it released on a weekend, that is Friday, Saturday and Sunday, it did about 111 crore. But the Infinity Castle, Demon Slayer, did 120 crore just on the first day, only released in Japan, and that too, only few select locations in Japan, not the entire country also. So you can imagine the craze for Demon Slayer. This is going to be an epic movie, and it's releasing in IMAX and I think 4DX also. So all the anime fans, you better be ready for Demon Slayer Infinity Castle. It's coming up. Also, there is an event happening on 22nd, 23rd and 24th of August. I like that. I like that. I like that. I like that beat. I like that beat. Oh, I like that beat. I like that. The dhol tasha. Nasik dhol. Dum 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 dum. Lovely, beautiful beats. Coming back to Demon Slayer, like I said, it's releasing in IMAX, 4DX, and I think MX4D as well. All the anime fans, get ready for some action. Get ready to slay some demons. Guys, comment down below if you know the name of this place. I see some statue. कौन है? Baba Saheb Ambedkar का statue है वो. What is this location? This is the first time in my life I have come over here. Prashant Corner. Okay. Bhiwandi Mobile World. Okay. This is Bhiwandi. अच्छा. Oh. So finally, Bhiwandi रह गया पीछे. We crossed Bhiwandi. My God. I'm never going to go back from that route again. I don't know, the GPS showed me the route from JVLR. So from JVLR we went to Thane. And from Thane, I don't know how it took me to Bhiwandi. And oh my God. Never in my life I'm going to go back from that route again. Insane. अब जाके थोड़ा route खुला है. This is the main highway. But the roads over there, my God, was pathetic. Bawasir road it was. Bawasir. Where is this place? Comment down below if you know this place, please. I would like to know which location is this. Wow, मौसम बढ़िया हो गया अभी. Nice. ऐसा वेदर होना चाहिए कि बारिश भी ज़्यादा नहीं गिर रहा है. And it's cloudy, it's not sunny, it's not hot. मज़ा आ रहा है फिर. There's a group going ahead. It's not a group, there are two people riding. Looks like a KTM, if I'm not wrong. And Royal Enfield. Now we are talking. Now we are talking, boss. This is the kind of road that I was waiting for, man. The time right now is 8:47. So after 1 hour 45 minutes, I'm getting this road. The time to the destination is 1 hour 6 minutes. I think 1 घंटा मस्त राइड मिलेगा. Woohoo! Let's rip this. ऐसा रोड मज़ा आता है यार. Beautiful. Oh, donkey. Beautiful weather. Lovely यार, मज़ा आ रहा है. Nasik straight. Okay. Okay. Whoa, look at that weather ahead. Looking amazing. Now we start the Kasara Ghat. So this is the first time I'm coming on the Kasara Ghat. I've only seen it on YouTube. There's an accident already happened over here. This ghat is a little bit dangerous in monsoon season. He's coming.
आप किधर जा रहे हैं?
Bhavli Dam.
भावली डैम।
आप
नासिक प्रदक्षिणा करेंगे।
ओके कितने घंटे का राइड है?
आज 100, 125, 150 जितना जाएगा उतना, कल भी उतना ही हो सकता है।
ओके
मतलब ऑन द स्पॉट प्लान भी चेंज करेंगे।
There's a railway track over there. We are on top of Kasara Ghat and these guys are riding the bicycle for 100 kilometers. मानना पड़ेगा डेडिकेशन यार. We are on top of Kasara Ghat. So I met this couple over here, even they are going to Bhavli Dam. Just look at that weather, man. Oh my god. Next level. My god. Cannot see anything ahead, man. Shit. Oh my god. Unbelievable. Superb. Superb but dangerous at the same time. Cannot see anything ahead, man. I'm just going with the reference of that van which is going ahead of me. Just look at that weather, man. Oh my god. Wow. So from here now we have to take a right turn. So we are almost 5 minutes away from Bhavli Dam and just take a look at where I am. Take a look at this beautiful view out here, man. Simply amazing. And that's my Pegasus.
Good morning, guys. We have finally reached Bhavli Dam and take a look at this beautiful view. Isn't that amazing? Outstanding. Look at the fog around everywhere. It's absolutely beautiful. Wow. Amazing. You can climb from there and go on top as well. Outstanding, man. With the steps you can go on top, but I doubt I will be able to climb those many steps. We are on top of the dam. Take a look at that. And this guy is fishing out here. The weather is beautiful. Everywhere you can see the fog. Outstanding. Beautiful, man. Guys, we are right next to the Bhavli Dam. Take a look at this. Oh my God. I'm so close to the dam. I can literally touch the water. And it's quite a fall from there. Look at that. So beautiful. It's foggy everywhere. Weather is superb. Oh my God. I'm so close to the dam. Alright, so I'm planning to climb this and go and see the dam. My shoes, my boots are very slippery. Luckily the rocks are giving me the support, so I should be able to climb this. Alright, almost there. Alright, almost there. Whew. That rock was slippery. So is this one. Oh. Huh. I gotta go from there. Whew. Oh fuck. I gotta climb all the way on top. Let's do this. Coming down will be quite hectic. Oh fuck. Alright guys, I climbed all the way on top to get a view of this. Wow, look at that. Oh my God. This is the Bhavli Lake. This is the dam. And what I showed you earlier was where the water comes out from the dam. This view is amazing. There are so many people who come to this place, man. But you have to be physically fit, man. Climbing those stairs took my breath away. It looks like I'm dreaming. I'm walking in my dreams. A typical movie scene. Guys, this is straight out of a movie scene. Take a look at this. You can't see anything up ahead. And take a look at this. My God. Absolutely stunning. Beautiful. This is the first time that I have come to this location, and I can tell you that it is worth a visit. Worth a visit. Just take a look at the view around over here. It's fog everywhere. You can't see anything. It's completely foggy. This is the dam. There is the Bhavli waterfall area as well. Let's see if I'll be able to go to that place or not. But it's about 9 minutes from here. The time right now is about 11:05. Let's see, if I'll try to leave by 12, I should be home by 3 o'clock. Wow. Lovely. Oh Lord. This is, man. Have to be very careful. Full focus and concentration. One wrong move and you'll go tumbling down. It's quite steep. Yeah, the staircase are much better over here. Whew. Finally made it down. I was scared of how will I come down, my God, from top. Look at that. Climbed all the way from there.
So there are a lot of cars, a lot of people who are coming to Bhavli Dam at this time right now. So it's better to come early in the morning. Do your thing. It's not going to be crowded. So we're going to the waterfall now. You should ride very carefully on these roads because villages are there nearby and suddenly you'll have children running across, or you'll have these cattle that just come ahead of you. So you have to be very careful. And by mistake, if you meet with an accident and bang any of the goats and they die, or a child gets hurt, then you're going to be in problem. This resort looks good over here on my left. Wow, look at that, man. Beautiful view. And we have finally reached the waterfall. Take a look at that, man. Beautiful. Such a beautiful place. But the one thing that I don't like when I come to such places is when I get to see all these filth just thrown around over here, man. Plastic bags, wrappers, water bottles. I mean, there is zero civic sense over here. Zero. You know, such beauty in front of you, and people have to dirty this place, yeah. Guys, please don't dirty a beautiful Maharashtra, man. Such a beautiful location we have. There's no place in the world like Maharashtra in monsoons. Just take a look at this view. And then when you see this, really disappoints me, makes me angry at times. What a view up ahead. Outstanding. Outstanding view. All right, now let's hit the road. Time showing is 3 hours and 7 minutes to reach home. What a beautiful view. Lovely. Next level. Now the route again that it is showing me to reach home is from Bhiwandi, and I honestly don't want to take that. But the route from Godbandar side is showing 4 hours. I better avoid that. This is showing me 3 hours 5 minutes from Bhiwandi. So might as well take this route. Alright guys, the time right now is 3 o'clock. So I left at 2:30 from there and it's 3 o'clock. So roughly about, took me 2.5 hours to reach. I rode pretty fast, I guess. And what a ride it was. Thoroughly enjoyed my bike. My God. Amazing ride. While I was coming back, the ride was much better than the ride the journey towards Bhavli Dam. Wow. Maza aa gaya. Super fun. Super se duper. What did I say? The time was exactly 3 o'clock. Exactly 3 o'clock. Badhiya. बहुत मजा आया. Sexy. Too good. बड़ा fun किया. Love you man. Love you Pegasus. क्या भाग्य है. Wow.